kaming winter warning or issue by National Service. Hi guys! Hi! On our way to Lake Tahoe! Rancho! Woohoo! Dito na kami, dumadaan kami ng El Dorado Hills! Meron kaming winter warning or issue by National Service. Pero kakayanin po namin to para sa snow. Team Rancho ready. Yun! Snow! Mga kailangan po namin maglagay ng tire chain. So, antay lang namin kung saan yung hihinto yung mga sasakyan. So, less than 2 hours, meron na kaming snow.
In
Na
about 10
nakikita?
miles at the roundabout, take the second exit onto US 50 towards South Lake Tahoe.
Yun! South Lake Tahoe! Hi! Hi Neng, where are we? We're in welcome to South Lake Tahoe. The iconic South Lake Tahoe welcome sign is one of the most photographed landmarks in South Shore.
This?
Okay.
Buckle. Thank you.
Yeah. You okay? You're happy?
Yeah.
First time snow. Woohoo!
Look at this one.
Hi, tita! Woohoo! Oo nga naman!
Ano ba talaga siya?
Wow! Woohoo! Ang mga taga-rancho ay nag-enjoy sa snow. First timers. Okay, we're gonna go there. Take picture. Okay. Careful. Let's go. Neng, dahan-dahan ha. Dahan-dahan. Hold my hand. Yo.
Someone has big shoes.
Okay. Yan. Just stand up there. Stand up there.
Can I? Oh.
Oh, sino to? Sino ba?
Ah, Taylor Creek.
Ba?
Oo, sarado. Closed.
Malek?
Okay. Taylor Creek closed. Akala nila siguro may winter storm.
So, ayun na ba yun?
Oh, yun na yun. Yun na yun. Oo, yun yung ka maglalaro-laro.
Proceed to the route.
Ayan tayo ng gilid-gilid.
Ano gusto natin doon na?
Diretso natin? Saan yan?
Doon, sa ano lang. Kung paparada lang, parang kagaya si Kuya. Oh.
Ay, doon mas open doon sa ano.
Ah, mas open doon, ano? Oo. Yan. Yay! We're here! Finally! The kids are enjoying
Sikat na vlogger ko lang.
sledding! Yay! Come on, Megan! Go! Up, 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 up! Wait! There, hold your arms, yeah. Up, 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 up! Up. Okay, go.
You need to hold tight, baby.
Hold tight.
You need to sit down like that. With your face.
There.
Like this. You hold tight. You hold tight.
There. You sit down.
Watch that help me.
Okay.
Push.
Wait.
Okay.
Here's. Okay.
Hold tight. Hold tight.
Wait for the Mickey. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just hold on, Gabi.
Hold on.
Up.
Ingat, Tikises. Ingat.
I'm good. Experience.
Okay lang, naka-record naman, Tikises.
Nauna pa ako pagkano eh. Okay.
Go ahead. Let's change with Gavin. Chevy. Okay.
You will try, Gavin.
Hold on tight, man. Don't let go. I'm gonna push you.
Okay, dito, 7. This is good enough.
That's good enough. That's good enough.
Okay, do it, do it.
No. You gonna do.
Gusto niyo mas good. You
Mas
want
mataas.
higher? Up. No standing, Neng. Cannot.
Gabby's ready.
Okay.
I'm about to go.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. No. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
Okay.
Slide. Hold on.
Ma'am, si ano, Sebi. Hihintay nila Gavin.
Oh, wait though. Wait, they're waiting for you.
Okay. You're gonna slide. Okay. You're gonna ready?
Again.
1,
2, 3,
3,
go!
go!
Yung saya niya, iba.
Go! Yay! Woo! There you go! Up! I've got... Up! Woo! Go! Hold! Don't let go!
Okay, hold, ate, hold. Okay, you get ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.
So, ito po ang gawaing Pinoy. Pinoy style.
Tapos may ganun
Pinoy style. Ang aming ever ready na camper style. Meron kami
Cup noodles muna tayo.
Cup noodles kami. Meron kami mga patinapay.
Go! Go ahead!
Itong pamangkin namin na to talaga napakatapang.
Ma'am, pag nag-full orange pa pa. Ay, ikaw magsamalo kay Seb.
Sige, ako. There you go.
Kaya Mark, sa inyo na may...
Ay, thank you. So, ever ready kami? Ay nga pala, may kape po. Okay. Ito ang aming spot ngayon. Ang Team Rancho ay nandito na. First team to arrive. Yung Team Folsom at Team Roseville on the way pa rin. Nakapwesto na po kami dito and we're having our Pinoy style
Spicy?
Reclaim this vlog.
yes.
Because we're the
Yep.
first ones here.
First timer.
Pieces. Seal mo lang muna.
Ito yung aming hidden spot wala masyadong tao. Dito sa Fallen Road, Fallen Leaves Road ba yun? Fallen Road. So, papark ka lang dyan. And then, just bring your own sled or tube. Okay naman, nag-enjoy yung mga bata.
Fail?
Kaya Mark,
Ayan, okay.
Fail?
Okay, noodles muna kami. Okay.
Is it done? Is it done?
oh, that's Gavin.
Whoo, sarap. So, eating cup noodles.
Not yet.
Ito po ang pinaka good deal.
Good deal. Good spot.
Minus, magkano yung dapat?
Oo, kasi kung pumunta tayo sa Tube Tahoe,
55.
55 each,
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
Ito, unlimited.
Ito, only. Pwede ka pa magdala ng baon, walang corkage.
All in.
Hello, so ito po si Madam ay getting ready to yan, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, ko rin yon! Okay.
Mas malaki pa yung ulo sa Ton, Gerberg.
Daya si Nico.
Ito, ready-made na?
Oo.
Okay.
Bibilugin na lang.
Bibilugin na lang natin. Okay. Okay.
Sorry dyan.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Yun. Okay. Ready made. Okay. Papalitadahan na lang namin yan. What's that? Gavin? Is that a snowman? Mukhang hindi snowman yung gawa ni daddy mo, nak. Palpak.
Ano yan? Mosquito.
Mosquito man.
Hindi, ano lang yan. Ayusin lang natin yung mata.
Mukhang ano.
Kung sa inyo,
Mukhang naka-diet.
Hindi, yung dalawa.
Okay, so kompleto na ang team Sacramento, the Sacramento gang from the team Rancho Cordova, Folsom and Roseville. At ito ang aming bagong favorite spot. Are you enjoying? Having fun? 2, 3, go! All the kids on! Kids on!
Come on.
Sabi.
Ang sama din sabi.
Megan, enjoying?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Yay! Okay, it's our second day here in Lake Tahoe. Parang ngayon pa lang kami nagpapa egg hunting. Hindi namin na gawa kahapon. Okay, we're here, Easter egg hunting. Belated Easter egg hunting. Whoa!
Luol, go get your basket, Luol.
Gavin, get your eggs, get your eggs. Get.
Luol, your basket, Luol.
Here naman di.
Come on, go. Gavin, go get the egg. There's a prize inside.
It's okay. Then,
Oh,
here.
Come on. Ha?
Lumulog ko.
Shoot your eyes dyan.
Ha?
Basket, go get your basket.
Why do you guys put it here?
You have to do it, put it in the air.
Uy, basa na.
Hi. Oh, paghugot mo masushoot sa ano yung ice.
Nagpapalit ako.
Makalamunin ako ng snow.
Let's get all the eggs and then we're done here.
Yeah, let's go all adults. Let's all get the eggs. I think there's $100 in there. Uy.
Uy! Sa ilalim ito, Lulu.
Uy.
My drone! My drone! My drone! My drone!
Smile. Here, grab the eggs.
Napulot kayo, no?
Uy. Malalim oh. Malalim.
Sabi mo kasi malayo gawin ko.
Sabi ko dito lang oh.
Okay.
Sabi, get up.
Lulu, ay lower your shoe, ano?
Oh, shit. Nagpapanik ka.
Okay, okay. Megan!
I got it.
Dad.
Struggle is real. Struggle is real.
I don't hold it.
Okay.
I will hold this.
Oo, yan niyo.
This one.
Okay. Gavin, here's your egg.
Okay na, that's enough na.
Okay, that's enough.
At the hinge.
Oh,
Hinge.
here. Here.
Okay. Oh, let's go.
At the hinge.
I know.
Snow pa more!
No, snow pa more.
Ay, gusto ko mag- Ay, aray ka na.
Magano?
Nakaapat na ganyan, no?
Tapos na picture taking namin. Okay. Tapos na. Dito sa Lake Tahoe. Ano bang tawag dito sa lugar na sa park na to? So may boat rent tayo.
Oh.
Kung saan nag-rent ng jet ski and parasailing. See yung view.
You have my phone, Bobby?
Yeah.
I just wanted it.
Hey Seb.
Hi.
Ate, Seb is coming. Hold his hand too.
Yeah.
Kasama si ate. Picture tayo. Dito, dito, dito.
Oh, yeah. Fit.
There you go. Megan, hold his hand. Hold his hand. Gusto niya lumapit eh. Okay. You want to go near the beach? No, the beach. Yeah, beach.
Baka biglang tumalon.
Group na kay Mark.
Okay, group.
Nagano na kayo nito? Yung nakatalikod niya.
Come on, let's go.
Eh, yung mga bata nag-holding hands.
Ay, yung mga bata. Kids.
Ah, come here.
Megan.
Ano, Gavin?
Meg.
You do the middle. Doon yung middle.
Ready na kayo?
Ready na.
Lang yung photo.
Mabilis lang to.
Just take the magnet, Lulu.
Whoa.
Magnet.
At the feather. What did one do?
No, just one toy. Just one toy, Bubba.
What did this one do?
I see a lot of New York Yankees hats.
You pick which one. Yeah. One only.
Whoa.
No,
Yeah.
it's just
I do.
Okay, we're gonna buy this. All right. Thank you, Uncle Fredo. Yay. All right.
That's okay. You have a cool toy set. Oh,
This is.
you have a
the
lot
Lake
of
Tahoe
cars
Beach.
in the house, Lulu. I said.
Heidi's pancakes and steaks. Okay. You okay, boy? It's okay. Let's go. Huh? You already?
So you don't want this? You want the car?
All right. Heidi's pancake. Whoa, big breakfast. Good breakfast, Naomi.
How about your mom?
Good. Good breakfast. Is Gabby next?
Yeah, thank you.
Here's let's wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm gonna bring some syrup for you, okay?
Yes.
Anything else? You good?
Thank you.
Gavin,
The plate. Oh, nice.
Yes, pancake.
Gavin with the pancake.
Ganyan, kukunin kamay ng asawa tapos ilalagay sa bulsa pag malamig. Korean ganyan eh, kaso Pinoy itong asawa ko. Makahanap ka ng Korea.
No, we don't have the receipt, so you can't change it because we don't have the receipt.
IDs.
Biggs, follow ko sa inyo. Follow ko.
Okay, that's it for our Lake Tahoe
Yes!
trip. Alright, see you again. Bye.